You guys, I just walked inside of the Dollar Tree and they have put out more of their pillows. So hopefully you guys are finding them. I see the rainbow, the pink ones, the blue ones, and that looks like it for now. So we're in here and I want to walk around and see what we can find today. They got the cute little Easter hats out. Look at that. Blue, pink, and white. And they got the little matching tote bags for the little girls that come with a little flower on it. How cute is that? Look at that. Oh. Okay, these are cute. Look at that. I see blue, and they have that kind of design on it. I see white, or yeah, clear, I should say. I also see them in this green color, really pretty, and this orange. Okay, you guys, so I just have to ask you a question. Is your Dollar Tree like extremely loud? Because every time I come into a Dollar Tree, I try my hardest to, I try my hardest to kind of like wait it out to record because it's usually really loud. But yeah, I was just wondering, are you guys the same as mine? Oh, it looks like they got some more Alka water. This is with the sports cap. This one is 20 fluid ounces, and then they got these real big ones right here with multivitamins in it. It doesn't have the sports cap, but this one says multivitamins. That's cool, and those are 33.8 ounces. And then up here, this one says with antioxidant in it. Restore and hydrate. These are big bottles. You guys hear the background? And those are the two new ones that I see for now. Besides that, I like those. I think they're pretty good. They taste pretty good. I like the caps. Okay, I am tempted to get these. You got some Dippin' Dots. They expire August of 2019, and this is banana split. Oh God, you guys know I love banana stuff. And they got a bunch of those. And then over here they got cookies and cream. Okay, I've never been a fan of Dippin' Dots, not even the ice cream, so I don't know. But if I got the banana ones, I would just eat those with no milk, like a little snack. But I don't know yet. They restocked the ceramic pineapple trays, as well as these up here. Oh, these notepads are cute. Look at that. You are the best. And you get 100 sheets. And then I see Love Begins With You. And these are just lined paper. And let's see what else is in there. Celebrate Everything. And Live. Did I say that one already? No, it's still floral, but it's Live Your Dream. Those are really cute. Okay, it looks like they stocked some more books. Let me see. Teddy and Me, Confessions of a Service Human. That looks interesting. Misguided Angel. Georgia. Let's see. Trying to see what just pops out at me. The Cat King of Havana. These are some really big books. Fall of Man in Wilmslow. Okay, this one caught my attention. Dawn of the Planet of the Apes and Rise of the Planet of the Apes. And it has the plastic still on it. Let's see. It's really big. I wonder what's in here. It's probably like all the pictures of the movie. So I'll probably get that. I only see 2 of those. But besides that, is that one? Rainstorm by Vanessa Miller. Guide to Mastering Middle School. Pirate Hunters. Most Dangerous Place on Earth. Look at all this. Monsters, a Love Story by Liz Kay. Why was I saying that wrong? And this Arrow, Heroes and Villains. Okay, that's cool too. So That's all the books I see for today, but I'm definitely going to get the Planet of the Apes book. Oh, they got some different scarves today besides the ones I just showed you guys. This one has a seashell, or a starfish on it. Sorry about that. This pattern, which I'm not too fond of those colors. And I see pink and black cheetah print back here. This one. And this one, kind of tropical scarf. And they still got a few infinity scarves. These palm tree hats. Look at that. And it has the Velcro on the back. So I see green, pink, and a blue one. Down this row by the bins and everything, they put the pillows out. So they still have some of the blue pillows, the green ones. Last time I didn't see a pink one. A white one, but I might have been wrong because I thought the picture was white on the box, but it's probably just this light pink. But yeah. I know I said it. Didn't I say it? I said when I showed you guys the review of the lip glosses and stuff, which I absolutely love. Love that purple one. I don't see another one. I probably would buy a second one. But didn't I say it'll probably be some mascaras and stuff coming? I was right. Look at that. This one is Hypnot Eyes Black. I don't know if this one is going to be purple because it says Style Eyes, so it's different. This one is Lash Splash. This has a different packaging and it's called Scandalash. And did I see another one? Yeah. This one is Fantas Eyes. I don't know how they're saying that. Fantas Eyes. And let's see, All Eyes. So let me see, because something looks different. Oh no. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the same packaging, and this one is in a different packaging. So I guess I will get one of the black ones today to see how they work. They still got the eyeshadows. Here's some face primer. LA Colors. They brought these back out. The Color Bomb Tinted and Scented. Okay, I see these. The Loose Face and Body Shimmer. And as far as new stuff over here, that's pretty much it. Just the mascaras. So I'm definitely gonna get one though to see the formula. Here's the lipsticks. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get whichever one is black. Let me go through these again. This is one of my reasons in coming today. I needed some more cotton rounds. And then look at this little Shopkins lip and nail cosmetic kit. That is super cute. So I see that. I also see this 4-pack of nail polish set, and it comes with the little stickers. They got a set of lip balms. Let's see, strawberry, donut, cupcake, cookie, and cotton candy. I like those. And then you can get a pack of 2 up here. And they also have some little nail sets. Look at those. Those are super cute. When the little girl wants to play dress up, they got these too. 10-piece press-on nails and 1 foul. Let's see, those are trolls. Oh, look at this. Here is a 3-in-1 foaming body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. It says new foaming body wash, and it's 14 fluid ounces, and it's cool blue water. That's the only fragrance I see, but they got a bunch of those. What is this? Liquid Skin, the better bandage for minor cuts, cracks, and abrasions. Seal and protect, flexible protection, 100% waterproof. Ouchless, no sting. That's kind of cool. I've heard of this, but I've just never purchased that. Up here by the registers, they got these new stationery collection. Super cute. No problema. That's a notepad. Like that with the spiral. And then the stickers are super cute. Puffy stickers. And what is this? That is a journal. I think I'm gonna get this. That's kind of cute. These cute lip glosses. These are up by the front register and they are all pineapple scented. That's kind of cute. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna get out of here. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough and show you what was in my local Dollar Tree for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. They still have these towels. They still got a bunch of these, all the different ones. I like that one. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here and I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.